Now, students, this is the most important question of three scalar vectors. Find any three vectors, A vector, B vector, C vectors, prove that A vector plus B vector, B vector plus C vector, C vector plus A vector equals to 2 A vector, B vector, C vector. बच्चों इसको सोल्यूशन के लिए सबसे पहले हम इसके बारे में जानते हैं. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट्स ऑफ ए वेक्टर, बी वेक्टर एंड सी वेक्टर. इट मीन्स बच्चों ए वेक्टर क्रॉस बी वेक्टर डॉट सी वेक्टर. इट इज रिटन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अंडर फॉर्म ऑफ ए वेक्टर, बी वेक्टर, सी वेक्टर. It means this and this means it. Clear? So this is also in this form of A vector, B vector and C vector. So it is written in the form of A vector plus B vector cross B vector plus C vector dot C vector plus A vector. So first of all, this term, it is written in the form of A multiple of A cross B, A cross B and plus A cross C plus B cross B plus B cross C and the dot product of C vector plus A vector. Clear? After that, first of all, this is we know that B vector cross B vector, it means B vector cross B vector means magnitude of B vector, magnitude of B vector and sign 0 degree, because B and B have the degree of 0 vector. So it should be the final result B vector cross B vector is equal to 0. Clear? So this is the silent and A vector A vector cross B vector plus A vector cross C vector plus B vector cross C vector and the dot product of C vector plus A vector. That now, first of all, the C is multiple and it is written in the form of C. Only C is multiplied first of all. And this is the final result. A vector cross B vector dot C vector plus this is the A vector cross C vector dot C vector plus B vector cross C vector dot C vector. And another, now A vector is multiple of this term, so plus A vector cross B vector dot A vector and plus A vector cross C vector dot A vector plus B vector cross C vector dot A vector. This is the final result. And the next condition, A vector cross B vector dot C vector, we know that it is written in the form of this. So it is written in the form of A vector, B vector, C vector and plus here is the A cross C and dot C vector. It means this is the A vector is written in the form and the C vector is written in the form and the C vector is written in the form. So we know that any determinants having two row other columns are identical, then the determinants value equals to 0. Here is the R2 and R3 are identical, so the final result is the 0. So this term is 0, this term is 0. Plus B cross C, this is also identical to 0. Plus B cross A cross B dot A, this is the A is identical, so also 0. And A is also identical, this is 0. And this is the A vector, dot A vector, B vector, and C vector. Clear? So final results, this is the 2 times of, this is the first and second, it means 2 times of A vector, B vector, and C vector transform. Okay. Thank you.